Hey everybody, as you can see behind me, fall is upon us. I just got a free load of firewood from a neighbor. Some of the splits though are much too long to fit in my wood stove, so we're going to cut some down and get it loaded in the garage for the upcoming weeks. What I've done is I've built a firewood cutting jig. So right around here is the 16 to 18 inch mark. I have a back plate to it. These are some ends that I've already cut off. As you can see how nicely uniform you can cut all your wood. They're easy to make. I'll put a how-to on how to make these on my channel, but let's show you how it works. All right, we've got the firewood loaded in, threw a bungee over the top just to keep it from bouncing out. Let's see how it goes. All right, as you can see, perfect length firewood every single time. All right, everybody. Well, unfortunately, I got interrupted, so I'm gonna kind of have to stop here for the day. But as you can see, I got quite a bit of good wood left to go. Starting to load up the pickup. Now I gotta work on moving all of this into the garage. All right, thanks for watching.